Want to back up your Redmi contacts to Mac without relying on the cloud? In this video, we'll show you 5 simple ways to safely save your contacts offline and keep your data secure. Number 1. How to back up Redmi contacts to Mac via MobiKin program. MobiKin Backup Manager for Android is a reliable tool to back up and restore Android data, including Redmi contacts, to your Mac. This tool offers one-click backup, selective restore, and preview data types before backup. User Guide. After downloading and installing the MobiKin software on your Mac, double-click the program icon to open it. Then, connect your Redmi phone to the computer using a USB cable. At this stage, make sure that USB debugging is activated on your device. Once the software has successfully detected the connected device, click on Backup in the main interface to open the Redmi Data Backup window. Following this, choose the types of files you wish to backup. After you have selected the data types you want, click on Browser to specify an output location. Finally, click the Backup button to start the process. Once it is finished, you will be able to see your data safely backed up to a local folder on your Mac. Number 2. How do I back up my Redmi contacts to my Mac via Google Contacts? On Redmi, Settings Accounts Google Enable Contacts Sync, tap Sync Now. On Mac, go to contacts.google.com, sign in, export all contacts via card, export. Open Contacts app file, import, select the card to finish. Number 3. How do I export all contacts from Redmi to Mac via MacDroid? Install MacDroid on Mac and connect Redmi via USB. Choose Connect via MiTP and select File Transfer on phone. In Finder, access Redmi storage on Redmi. Open Contacts menu, export to file. Number 4. How to copy contacts from Redmi to Mac with SyncMate. Install SyncMate on Mac. Add new Redmi device Wi-Fi. Scan QR to install module on Redmi. Open module. Allow permissions. Enable sync. Confirm connection on phone. In SyncMate, select contacts to sync. Enable auto sync if needed. Number 5. How to connect Redmi phone to Mac for contact backup via SD card. On Redmi, Contacts app menu, import or export to SD card. VecFef, remove SD card. Insert into Mac, open Finder. Find and copy the VecFef file. Double-click to open or import in Contacts app.